Yeah, not sure how it happened anyway, but actually what he's got there. As you can see, you can probably guess what it is. And welcome back to the channel and to another video and to a beautiful sunny day here in Spain. Something a little different today, not working on the Fiat Barchetta, working on another car, a Skoda Citigo. So this car belongs to a family member. It's got its inspection tomorrow. I'm not expecting any problems apart from this. We've got cracked glass here, so we'll just take that tail light off as it's damaged and cracked and replace it with a new one. Alright, let's get this open and see what we've got. So we've got a box and a box. Well, it's very light, there's not much to it, but there we go. Let's put up against the existing one and let's double check that it matches. I've already found a use for the cardboard box. Actually what he's got there. So they've sent me the correct side, which is a good start. But if we have a look at both of them and compare them. So yeah, pretty much the same. Slightly different pattern on the reflector part, I think. But anyway, let's get the old one off and we'll get the new one on and transfer it over. So if we have a look inside, it looks like the only way to get to the light is through here, I think. Let's see what's in here. Got the cable. There's a wing nut there, so I'll undo that. And that should give me access to the light. Maybe it'll pop out, or there might be another screw behind. Right, let's get that undone. Let's just have a quick look to see how badly damaged it is. I'm pretty sure there's actually a hole in it. Yeah. Not sure how it happened anyway, but there you go. It's a bit of moisture inside as well. Right, let's get it out and put the new one in. There's our wing nut. I'm going to do that clip. There's another one at the bottom there as well. I'll just move the camera down a bit so you can see it. Another one there. And then we've got 2 more around the other side. One at the top and one at the bottom. And another one actually at the top there. And nothing underneath that I can feel. So let's, there we go. It just pushes back. Actually, there is one more up underneath at the bottom there. So there's 6 altogether. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 either side. There we go. There's our lights. So there's our old one. Let's just compare the back to the new one. So all exactly the same, which is good. And all the tabs are in the same place. I'll just give it a bit of a clean up around there before I put the new light back in. Right, there is a bit of corrosion on this bottom part of the light where the lens has been cracked and the water's been getting in, so I'll just get about a little wipe. Right, what I'll do now as well is I'll check the lights work before I put the cover on. I'll actually check both sides just to make sure we've got all the bulbs working before we go for the inspection tomorrow. Alright, let's get the new cover on then. I'll try and be careful not to drop it. There we go. Definitely a bit tighter going on than it was coming off. That's it, all 6 clips are in. So it fits perfectly. So we just need to put our nut on the back. I'll do it as tight as I can so it pulls the light back in. And hopefully no water can sort of get in and cause the same problem as before. Right, let's peel that off. Let's get this back in. Close that up. There we go. Alright, job done. That's it. New light fitted. And then tomorrow the inspection. And fingers crossed it will pass without any problems. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's keep our fingers crossed for tomorrow. Before I go, just a sneak peek of something coming up in the next few weeks. Something I'm really excited about is this. As you can see, you can probably guess what it is underneath the wrapping. Not exactly the right colour, but that's not a problem. Plus a few little scrapes and scratches that need sorting out, but other than that it's in pretty good condition for a, I don't know, I think it's a 1998 bumper. Anyway, that'll be coming up in a few weeks, so we got that to look forward to. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.